Hello and welcome back to Iran Walking Tour. Tonight, we're taking you through one of the most vibrant and iconic neighborhoods of Tehran, Tajrish. Walking through Tajrish at night is a unique experience. The streets are glowing with lights, the air is filled with the smell of fresh fruits and street food, and there's a special kind of energy everywhere. You can find almost everything here, from fresh fruits and local snacks to clothes, accessories, and handmade crafts. Fruit vendors line the walkways, calling out their offers, and clothing shops stay open late into the night, filled with both modern and traditional fashion. But Tajrish is not just a market, it's a vibe. People chatting, laughing, bargaining, tourists exploring, and locals living their everyday lives with so much warmth and color. Tajrish isn't just a shopping spot. It's a window into modern Iranian life. And if you're wondering about daily life in Iran today, yes, things are changing. In Tehran, more than any other city, people are openly pushing back against forced hijab rules. Despite restrictions, you'll see many women walking confidently without a headscarf, expressing their freedom and individuality. This quiet resistance is becoming a visible part of daily life in the capital. And here are some quick facts about Tehran. Tehran is the capital of Iran with over 9 million residents. It's a city full of contrasts, from modern skyscrapers to traditional bazaars like this one. Northern Tehran, where Tajrish is located, sits at a higher elevation, giving it cooler weather and lush surroundings. If you're enjoying the video, hit that like button, and don't forget to leave a comment. We love hearing from you. Tajrish lies at the foot of the Alborz Mountains. That's why the air here feels cooler and fresher, especially in the evenings. As you walk through these streets, you're never too far from the sound of water or the view of a snowy peak. It's one of the few places in Tehran where tradition meets mountain breeze. Right next to the bazaar stands Imamzada Salah, a beautiful shrine that draws visitors and pilgrims alike. With its turquoise tiles and glowing lights, it's not just a religious site. It's a center of community. People gather here for peace, reflection, and connection. Tajrish reflects the changing face of Iran. Old tea houses sit next to trendy cafes. Modern women walk past traditional vendors. It's a place where contrasts don't clash. They coexist. If you're enjoying the video, hit that like button, and don't forget to leave a comment. We love hearing from you.
بگیر منو مصرفم. بیا.
So join us in this peaceful yet lively night walk through the heart of northern Tehran. If you're enjoying this walk, don't forget to like this video and leave us a comment. See you in the next walk. Take care and goodbye.